You've got many different options. You can carry on as you go in now, which is our cross trainer mode. You can also hold the handles to the side for me at second. There we go. So you can just get a leg dominant workout then. So if you have got any hip issues, this is great to build that strength in the lower body, okay? You can also then hold back onto the handles for me. Wonderful. Pop those feet up. You can then keep going, and then that's just for an arm-based workout then. So if you're looking to gain more strength in the upper body, this is a brilliant set workout for you. You've also got different options then for workout boosters along the top, okay? So if you did want to just have a chest workout, muscle endurance or leg press focused, okay? As you're currently doing, you can just up the level with the arrows on the screen there. Happy?
Very happy.
Brilliant. There we go.